Welcome back to my channel. This is Masikirui and this is how I unclog my sink. Let's do it. So the first thing I do is I put 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda. 1, 2. Later that I add hot water. That's my hot water. See? You see. Meanwhile, watch our other content. We baked a banana cake. Please watch it. We make soap in this channel. Please check it out. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We will appreciate. Love you all. So that's what I do. Now, just water to drain it up. See the flying bad things, dirty things. Can you see? How it's clear. That's what is making the nini go slow. Hopefully after that, it will be a bit faster. That's it. Baby boy, what are you doing? That's it. Let's test it if it's working. Listen out, the water is a bit, it's not fast. Yeah. That's how I do it. Thank you and have a nice time. Blessed time. Don't forget to subscribe.